Bible as a historical piece in the context that they use it for their own gain, and to show it as a historical piece, which is a mystery system embedded within the storylines where the names have been changed to protect the guilty. So what we have done personally in my work was to show what Western theology, or what I call theocracy, and what I call the disease of people who are caught up, especially our African peoples who are caught up in the religious system of white supremacy. I call the condition and symptom Theopsychosis. And many of the people that are afflicted can be seen in the churches that are run by some of the psychiatric doctors who essentially patrol that particular asylum every Sunday from a pulpit. And the Theopsychosis can be seen in the whipping up of frenzy. It was a tactic that our ancestors used to go into other realms, but that tactic was contained in such a way psychologically as to be able to whip up that same frenzy that we use to go in to automatically use our bodies rather than telephones or telescopes or any of these other types of external machinery to enhance the recessive senses of the whites. He uses his technology to enhance what he did not have the ability to do organically. So what we used to do when we went into trances, when we went into certain types of shifted or other forms of psychological places in our minds, when we would shift our attention, we would go in and communicate with other planets, communicate with other, the other side, and so forth. And this was an organic process. But now that has been contained inside of a church, which has turned that organic process of interfacing with other realities into a psychosis, because it's been contained within specific edifices, structures that were built by those who were there to, who built them to contain that type of spirituality, to warp it, to pervert it, and to turn it into the psychosis we see every Sunday with people falling out over this entity, this demon they call Jesus.